Did you know you can start forex trading in UAE with just $100? And thousands of traders in Dubai and Abu Dhabi already trading in currency from their phone. In this video, I will show how you can start forex trading in the UAE step by step. You know what is forex trading? Forex trading means buying and selling currency like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. For example, if you price any pairs and the price goes up, you make profit. The forex market is actually the biggest financial market in the world with more than $7 trillion traded every day. Before start forex trading, you should know, is forex market legal in UAE? Yes, forex trading is completely legal in UAE, but it's important to use trusted forex broker and regulated forex broker. Before choosing any forex broker, you first need to know about its regulation. One broker that has become very popular among UAE traders in exness. It allows beginners to start trading with a small deposit, and it supports fast withdrawal. You can trade directly using platforms like MT4, MT5, also in exness terminal. Exness allow also exness terminal where you can trade without MT4 or without MT5. So first you have to open account with exness. You will get link in description. Verify your identity using passport or Emirates ID. Also you need any utility bill like electricity bill, gas bill for completing your KYC. After that you need to create account. When your registration will be complete, your KYC will be completed, you need to create some account. Just like you will get many type of account, a standard account, professional account. You can start with a standard account. After that you need to deposit that account and you can start your trading in exness terminal or MT4 and MT5. Now you might be wondering, why do many traders in the UAE use exness? There are a few important reasons. First, the minimum deposit is very low. Second, withdrawals are usually very fast, which is one of the most important things traders look for in a broker. Third, the platform supports MT4, MT5, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, which are some of the most popular trading platforms in the world. Also, exness provides exness terminal where you can trade without MT4 and without MT5. And finally, the platform offers high leverage and tight spread. A spread is very important. If your broker charge high spread, then chances will be high you will not make any profit. So you need to choose a tight spread forex broker, which is exness. So many traders prefer exness when trading forex. So if you want to start forex trading, that is so easy. First, you need to choose a good forex broker, a best forex broker which is regulated, and deposit and withdrawal should be fast. That is exness. You can open account here. You will get the link in description. After registration, you need to do KYC. First, complete KYC. After that, you need to open account. You will get multiple account here. Just a standard account, professional account, zero spread account, row spread account. You can start with a standard account. After that, you need to deposit in a standard account. After depositing, you can start your trading in MT4, MT5 and exness terminal. Forex trading is completely legal in UAE and also a tax-free. If you're trading individually, you don't need to pay any tax here. So if you are excited for forex trading in UAE, then start forex trading with exness. You will get link in description.